Welcome to the Colorado Home Energy Rebate Program demonstration for contractor registration within the Neighborly portal. I will walk you through how the contracting company owner or authorized representative will create and complete a contractor portal account, entering the company information and payment information. To begin, we will sign into the Neighborly portal using the contractor link. If you do not yet have an account, please use the Sign Up Now button as indicated here. There will be simple instructions for you to follow that will prompt you to create an account and verify your account. Once you do have your account, please sign in using the blue button here. Once you are signed in, you will be prompted to complete the Contractor Information General Info tab. Please fill out all fields as they are required and click Save at the bottom. There are two additional tabs just to the right of General Info. Files is an informational tab that will contain all of the file uploads from the participant portal, and Users. Please now take the time to add any employees who will also be operating within the Neighborly portal. You can add a user by selecting the Add a User button, entering their email, first name, last name, and selecting Add. Once you have added your users or employees of your company, the Clear Result team will then allow them access to the participant portal. They will then be able to log into the participant portal to start and track any applications. Once you have completed the General Info and Users tab, please then navigate to the payment profile. On the payment profile, you will be instructed to add a payment account. You can do this by selecting Add Account here. You will then be prompted to check personal or business, and complete all of the required fields. Once that is done, please press the green Submit button here. Neighborly will validate payment and throw back any errors if the account information is not valid, so please do be prepared. Once that is completed, you'll be able to navigate back to the Home tab. The Home tab is where you, as the company owner or authorized representative, will be able to track your tasks, energy rebate projects, and active projects. Once you have completed the contractor information and the payment profile, Clear Result will review your contractor portal and send an email with instructions on how to complete the final required steps of setting up your company within Neighborly. These steps will occur in the participant portal, and I will walk you through that now. When you are signed into your profile, you will navigate to the user icon in the top right. From here, you will select Participant Portal. Once you have navigated to the participant portal, you will be required to create an application portal account, submit your contractor profile, and confirm employees have received the link to the portal. The participant portal will be home for all your company employees, and this is where they will start applications, track applications, and monitor progress. Please take the time to read through the information provided before scrolling down to the bottom of the page where we will start a new application. At the bottom of the page, you'll notice two sections. There's a Start a New Application section and a Continue Existing Application section. Because I have already started my contractor company profile, it exists under the Existing Application, but if you're starting your company profile, please find it under the Start a New Application. To start a new company profile, please select the blue button on the right. You will be prompted with instructions on how to do so. Please take the time to read through all of the information provided in this section. As we walk through, you will note there is rather basic information requested about your company name and the owner. We will then request information on what you're interested in achieving from participating in the Colorado Home Energy Rebate Program. We'd like to understand if you're participating in different networks and if there are any business certifications associated with your company. As we scroll down, we'd like to get an understanding of whether your company network would like to be listed on the Colorado Home Energy Rebate Program website. This information is publicly listed, so please do take the time to review this. The program interest section will confirm what programs your company is interested in participating in. Please take the time to read about the different programs, what they offer, and the requirements for contractors. The types of services is also something similar. Additionally, we'd like to understand for the clients who are looking to locate a contractor, what counties your firm operates in. You'll be able to select specific counties, as you can see, or if you operate in all counties, you can select all. Finally, we'll make it down to the general company licenses and insurance. You may upload documents using an upload section over here on the right. You can also add additional files or delete files that currently exist. All document uploads are required in this section, so please do take the time to make sure you're uploading the correct documents.
Keep in mind that you can save and return to the application at any time using the Save button here. But once you have selected the Complete and Save button, your profile can only be edited once it is reopened by a reviewer on the Clear Result team. Once you have completed and saved your application, please note that your application changes its status to application under review. You will be contacted via email when it has been approved, or if more information is required. At this point, you'll be able to go ahead and share the participation link with your employees who will log into the participation portal under your company name. Once complete, you will be able to navigate back to the Contractor portal using the icon on the top right. This here will be your toggle between the two. To review the status of your applications, please navigate back to the home page within the participant portal. You can do so at any time by selecting the CO on the top left. You'll scroll down until you see the existing application section, and please note that the status is listed here. If there's any change to your status, again, you will be notified via email, and the status will be reflected in the status column. Thank you for taking the time to set up your company profile in the Neighborly portal. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Clear Result team at the email below. We look forward to receiving your applications.